Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn LED on program, how to write the simulation in Proteus file. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. I have opened for Proteus software, so I have already installed in Proteus 8 Proportional. If you want Proteus software link, you can chat it in my WhatsApp individually. So I have opened in Proteus 8 Proportional. Then I have created for new LED blink program. Okay, so this file is opened in this method. So you can click it in file, new project. Okay, file, new project. This pop-up window is opened. Click it for from development board. Then path is you can click it browse. Then PIC16F877A English, local disk D, my files, EDU product lab. Then PIC16F877A English. Okay, this short English. I want click it for PIC16F877A English program. LED on. Inside I want select the folder. Then file name also LED on. Okay, I want mention the file name LED underscore on. Okay, and then I want click it to finish. So new window is opened. This window is already drawing the one schematic diagram. That schematic diagram you can select and remove. Okay, then if you have PIC16F877A Microcontroller, you can press the commons mode icon. Then you can press the pick from devices. Then search keywords PIC16F877A. Okay, PIC16F877A. Then here showing for PIC16F877A. Then you can press it for next. You want animated LED. So here you can type for animated LED. Okay, I have entered animated LED. Okay, any spelling mistakes, ANI is not pressed. So animated LED. Now animated LED means it is showing for so many LEDs. I want press the orange, green, blue. I want picking for green LED. So this LED is here already. You can press it for double click. Any comments you want, you can search for these keywords. Then showing you can press for double tap. It is automatically ordered for your comments. So you can remove now. So you can keep it in this blue color box. You can draw your schematic diagram in the blue color section. So you can draw everything is very easily. So I want press the PIC16F877A microcontroller. I keep it in that blue color box inside. So I want zoom it. Okay, now zoom it. So I want little bit. I want down I want easily tracking is very easy. So you can without blue color box it is tracking is very risky. So now I want taken a LED green. That LED green is connected to RB0. So I want connected to one end is RB0, another end is needed for ground. So I want click it for terminal modes. So terminal modes I click, then click it for ground. So ground I place it to nearby LED cathode pin, then connected to ground. Now I want upload the program, then LED is on or off. I want check it. So I want press the double icon in program IC. How to upload the program. So now I want press the IC is double tap. Then open for one edit component window. This window you can click it for processor clock frequency is 4 MHz. It is defaultly you can create new file it is coming for 1 MHz. You can change it to 4 MHz. Then you can select for program file. So click it for the yellow color icon. Then open for your project file. Okay, dist. So okay, I want to explain for starting onwards. This PC local disk D, my files PIC16F877A. Okay, EDU product lab PIC16F877A English program LED on dist default production LED on pr.x production. I want selected to this project file. Then okay. Now upload the program. So your left side bottom corner press the play icon. The LED is glow. So my program is working perfectly. Next, I hope you now clearly understand the concepts of a Proteus simulation of LED on program. If this explanation helped you understand the concept, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections. You need help with final year projects, mini projects or IEEE projects, contact and WhatsApp. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay guys, thank you.